Sa panahon ngayon, what do you think best describes studying smart naman?
Studying smart is to really just know what works for you.
Okay.
Mas mabilis talaga siya, promise. Because for me, as soon as I learned that it doesn't work, hindi ko na siya binalikan.
Mm.
Kasi, minsan may times na I don't have the book ngayon, and then I also don't have the printed material. As toxic as it sounds, minsan hindi talaga ako nakakapag-aral buong araw because hindi ko magawa talaga magamit na mag-iPad and then ano. Because ganun din, parang napagod lang ako pero walang pumasok sa utak ko. So,
Okay.
I do my best talaga na dapat ready lahat ng kailangan ko because alam ko na kagad how it goes if I don't have it. So, you just really have to know what works for you. Yun lang talaga siya for me.
That's great.